boys, this is Mac Doyle. I like to tell you because today is National Fire Alarm Day. So, just so you know, let's get started with the collection here. So I have a Simplex 4903, I'm not sure that is, and right here's Edwards Integrity and Simplex 291938, and I have two True Alerts and a Simplex T-Bar, Edwards, what do you call this, Horn, something like that, MT in the back, RSS, another MT, and a system sensor mass, wheel lock NS, and notifier BG10. And I also have a wheel lock MT24 LSM, and that's pretty good, so that's not too bad. And I have a Johnson Controls BG10, it's kind of like that. I have a wheel lock AS24 MCW FR, and another wheel lock AS, and a system sensor P2R, and a notifier BG12L, Edwards 270 SPL, and a Gentex Commander 2. So here's another one. I have a Faraday Horn. So let me look in the back. It's set on here. I think it's can't remember what it says on here, but that's okay. Let's see, I think it's 3791. Not sure what that is. I have a Simplex 2903. It's a strobe plate and a FCI MS2. I have a Simplex 291938 with a 4903 9101. And behind next to it, I have a Simplex 2901 9846. And of course, a fire alarm clock. So as we get out here, I have another one outside. So, of course, there's my dog Emma. Yeah, she's just tired, guys. And there's a Chinese fire alarm system sensor Spectord Classic. I wish I could get another fire alarm for Christmas. I might get a Simplex or a system sensor Spectord Classic American with that. So we'll see what happens. So
motion detected at front door.
Must be motion detection on the front door. Anyway, so I'm gonna test out some of those pull stations. So just so you guys know, I gotta find myself here where it's at. I wish I could zoom by, but let's see. Okay, I gotta set my phone right about here. Okay. Okay. Here we go. So this is how you do this. If you open like this, it has a little lever like this. So it works that way. Closer up and boom. Oops. Okay. Probably move my phone right here. Let's see here. Okay, here's, you guys could see me here, and I have a BG10 right here. Where did I put my keys at? Oh, there it is. Okay. All right, we could test out the notifier BG10. All right, get ready, boys. I wish I could do a fast pull reset. What do you think, huh? All right. All right. Now, first is the BG12. So, if you guys are watching. Oh, oops. Just fell off. All right, let's see if we could get this back on. There we go. Get back on, you silly thing. All right. Okay. I have a Simplex T-bar, so I could show you guys there. So this here, or let me just demonstrate here. Here comes. All right, this is a notifier B key. There's the one right here. So this is a 499 9004 Simplex T-bar. So pretty cool, because I have noticed I've been interested for fire alarms when I was like, oh man, I was like a little kid back then, and I didn't know why. So I think I was like 12. I first started collecting fire alarms. I was like 19. So just so you know, guys, in case there's a fire, because there's a fire in the school and people evacuate, and because if somebody pulls a fire alarm, if there's no fire, they can't do that because it's illegal to pull fire alarms, okay? So anyway, so first of all, I hope you guys enjoy the National Fire Alarm Day, and happy National Fire Alarm Day, people. Thanks, and have a good day.